Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Here in the cab of my Kubota B2650. We're here over at a neighbor's driveway today. There's a friend of mine and they're getting ready to sell their house, and so their driveway has some more runoff damage from a spring breakup, so I need to fix a couple ruts in their driveway for them. But before we get to the project, I want to share a special sticker with you guys and a card. The card came from Chris over at the Watershed Overlook. So if you haven't checked out Chris's channel yet, go ahead and be sure to check it out. He's got a great channel, lots of Kubota content. And so Chris actually designed my new logo for when we move down south to Florida here in a couple months. I'll put it up on the screen now. It's the 180 Florida Life. So right now the channel's 360 Alaskan Life. And in a couple months we're going to be heading down to Florida, taking off down the opposite side of the runway, as it were, and going down the 180 Florida Life. But for now, we're still in Alaska, still be making Alaska videos. So let's get Chris's sticker up on the window of the Kubota here. Okay, it took me a minute to peel Chris's sticker off of the backing, but we got it off and ready to mount it. We'll put it right here next to Orange is My New Green. Okay, we got Chris's sticker, the Watershed Overlook. We've got Orange is My New Green back here. RCAF, Polar Express, MJA Doing Stuff, Garden Tractor Boy, and on the other side, Peaks Peak Hobby Homestead. Don't forget to check out these other great YouTubers, and it's time to get to work. So if you're a longtime viewer of the channel, you might recognize this route right here. I got stuck on that same route last year when I did the ruts in their driveway. And here I got stuck on it again, but this time I didn't stall out the tractor at least. So I use the Boxblade for a lot of different tasks, you know, leveling land and moving snow. The Boxblade just really comes in handy. What do you like to do with your Boxblade? Leave it in the comments below. And then also, if you haven't gotten a 360 Alaskan Life sticker yet, all you got to do is make a comment and say you want one, and we'll get you a sticker out. A lot of these different camera angles that I do, I use a GoPro Max for, and it films in 360 degrees. And it can make it a challenge when editing, but it sure pays off on some of the cool shots it can take. Driveway looks a lot better than it was. Could definitely use a load of gravel, but we're not going to be putting any gravel on today, but at least it doesn't have giant ruts in it anymore. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.